Hey Homo sapiens, it's me Rogue Marby Scott. Welcome back to the channel, and this is another makeup tutorial for the birds of paradise. So yeah, this is another makeup tutorial for greater birds of paradise. And what I want to say is, what I want to actually first say is that the birds of paradise, when it comes to the whole extravagant looks and everything, and you know, being everything colourful and whatnot, why does it seem to be the males that are the ones that are extravagant? Because the females are the females seem to look very plain in comparison to their male counterpart. So yeah, I'm really feeling doing these looks right now, and I can't wait to continue doing some more. I mean, I've got like 2 more in mind. I'm not too sure how many birds of paradise there are, but yeah, I can't wait to show you more. I do have 2 more in mind. Superb bird of paradise, and what's the other one again? Can't remember, but whatever. Just keep on watching, and I hope this makeup tutorial suffices you. Let's go on. So as you can see, my face is already done, and I'm going in with a powder contour from NYX, and I'm just going to contour my nose slightly-ish. I'm just creating some dimension to my nose, basically. I'm also going to highlight it, but I want to say also in this video, if you noticed in the intro that I sounded a little, or I just seemed off myself, it's because I got some really bad news over the weekend, and basically a friend had been murdered. So yeah, I'm really sorry about this, and I'm kind of sorry that the video didn't come up as soon, but as you can understand, I've just been feeling the emotions. Anyway, I'm now highlighting my nose with a really light highlighter that I've never used before. So this NYX palette that I'm using, I've never used before one bit. And I'm just shading in the tip of my nose because I want my nose to be kind of prominent to the eye makeup itself as well. So I'm just shading in, and I'm just blending everything to look a lot pointy and seamless. Now going in with the concealer, and I'm just prepping my eyes now for the eyeshadows. So going in with my first eyeshadow, I'm going in with the shade, well, it doesn't come with a name, but it's a very orangey shimmered eyeshadow, and it has like a brown flux to it, and I'm using this color obviously just to emulate the wings of the greater bird of paradise. I'm just going to continue to blend that out onto my lids, and I'm using that on my whole lids before I go on to my next color, which is going to be the green. So this green, I just wanted to use it to emulate obviously the neck part of the bird, because I thought that the green and the browns stood out more than the yellows. I don't know, it's just me, but whatever. And then I'm going to blend those out once I've placed that onto my face. So using a fluffy brush, I'm just going in circular motions, going around the edges of the green that I've already placed, and also blending the inner edge into the orangey brown that I've already placed onto my eyelids so far. Now going in with a lighter green just around the edges of the darker green that I've placed so far, and bringing that down to the corner of my outer corner eye, and I'm just blending just to make the dimension look kind of seamless and cohesive together, as you can see. So going in with some nice highlighter for my inner corners, I'm just placing that in with a Q-tip. And this look, I want to look super highlighted. I want my skin to look shiny. I want everything to look super highlighted because this bird is always in the sun, so why not? Now going in with some red eyeshadow, I'm placing that underneath my waterline, my lash line, my bottom lid, and I'm just blending that out into a nice seamless line. Now I do go in further into the corners, and then I'm going to blend in some yellows and some oranges just to create the tail and the head version of the bird, the head version parts. So as you can see here, I'm putting the yellow now, and now I'm also going to go over the yellow just to bring out the orange a bit. I wanted the orange to look very vivid in this look, so I thought putting the yellow one first would help that, you know, create the look. Going to set my face one more time because I've done it so many times, and I'm using 3 different dewy and gold fluxed setting sprays, so my face is very highlighted. Look at it, it's so shiny, but it's still wet. Anyway, going on, we're going to do my eyeliner. Now you know how I've been doing my eyeliner lately. I've been placing dots because I'm really crap at eyeliner, and as you can see, I've just created spots on the outer in the inner corners. However, that was my intention to do so, but because I kind of was a bit messy, I just had to work with, you know, the left eye and continue the look. But as you can see on the greater bird of paradise, it does have a black piece around its beak, and it kind of seeps in through the eyes, and that's what I wanted to create. But because I was being very sloppy and distracted, yeah, my hand slipped basically and did it for me. So what you can see here is me just lining my top line. I'm not creating a wing with this look because I feel like, well, the bird doesn't really have a wing to its eye look, so why create a wing for this look? Because I'm going to put on lashes, and, you know, those will create the wings for me basically. So I'm just filling in the top lash line with my eyeliner. And I'm just going to continue to bring out the teardrops that I was creating with the black eyeliner too. Time to throw on those lashes, and obviously I do it off camera. Now I'm going to go in with more highlighter for my nose because I want my nose to look so prominent in this look because the bird's beak is so long and pointy. Well, it just looks so long and pointy, and it's very silvery. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm just blending some brown contour powder just to bring that highlighter very sharply onto my nose. Now, like I said previously in the video, this bird is always in the sun, so I just thought putting like lashings of highlighter would bring that whole vision of when birds' wings are reflecting the sun. You get so many different dimensions and everything in the colors, even with pigeons. So I just decided to go in real hard with that highlighter, just go in real hard. So what you can see here is I'm just blending out that highlighter now with a dry sponge because this look needs to be highlighted, I'm sorry. And then I'm just keep on blending. Look how shiny I am. So guys, that's how I got the look, and if you want to know how I got my base first and my lips and everything, then go check out this video, and yeah, all is hunky-dory. But yeah, I do have a makeup series that I do want to start recording, because I'm pretty sure a lot of you who are watching my channel that don't watch other makeup channels aren't too aware of makeup technicalities and whatnot. So yeah, I'll get back to you. I'll see you soon, okay? I'm gonna take these lashes off. See, the look is just nothing without the lashes.
Rogue Marby Scott.